This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. I'm going to try something here by dyeing both sides at the same time. So we're just going to do a scrunch. I'm going to try to do it fairly tight, and we'll just see what happens. Alright, off to dye. The dyes are Chinese red, lemon yellow, cerulean blue, orange crush, bright green, and amethyst. And these are all from Dharma. I'm going to apply the red, yellow, and blue across the bottom and then put the shirt in place. Alright, we'll just lay this down. Let's see, so it was like this, red, yellow, blue. So I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees or so, around there, 45 to 90 degrees. I ended up not using the purple, amethyst, whatever. So we'll go ahead and let this melt through, and probably that should be enough to make it all the way through. We'll just let it sit in the muck for a day or two. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of soda ash and some more ice. I know the muck is already up really high, but I want to drive some soda ash through it, and that's the easiest way. So alright, we'll let it sit for a couple of days and do the washout. It's been sitting about 36 hours, so let's go ahead and do this washout. Alrighty. I'll throw this in the wash, and then we'll take a final look. Alrighty, here's the finished piece. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't quite this. I mean, it turned out okay. There's more white than I would have expected. I would have thought that would have been filled with, I don't know, the muck colors or something. I mean, I can tell where the darker bits are, where it was probably sitting on it on the bottom side. I mean, it works. It's pretty good coverage, better than just running it through the one side. It's slightly faster than flipping it. Well, I guess it's half the time as flipping it. So I don't know. What do you think? I like the colors overall. Here's some of that poopy color up here. The yellow didn't hold true, but that's pretty typical for doing something like this because there wasn't a wide enough band of the yellow. Thoughts? Suggestions? Something you want to see? Let me know. Until next time, thanks for watching.